Hello, welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering. Today, we will present the types of aircon trunking fittings with names and pictures. Please continue to watch until the end of the video. Thanks. Straight duct. Flexible joint or expansion joint. Coupler or joint connector. Reducer. 90-degree flat elbow. 90-degree vertical elbow. 45-degree flat elbow. 45-degree vertical elbow. Horizontal universal elbow. Vertical universal elbow. T-joint or branch fitting. Reducer end socket. End cap. Corner cap. Outlet cover or wall cover. Wall cap rosette. Aircon trunking fittings may look simple, but they play a major role in HVAC installation quality. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe to our Smart Technical and Engineering for more engineering and installation content. See you in the next video.